Thoughts on 4-piston versus 6-piston? That completely depends on which 4-piston and which 6-piston. The theory behind 6-piston is that it spreads out the pressure on the brake pad over a bigger area. And if you've ever looked inside a 6-piston caliper, there's 3 different size pistons because there's like pressure, gas buildup. That's why we talk about slotted rotors. We'll get to in a minute. And that's so you get even pressure on the brake pads so they wear evenly. And like it depends on the 6-piston and 4-piston. Like the 4-piston and 6-piston, like come stock from Ford on like the Boston GT. I mean, they're a good Brembo brake, but they're not like the Brembo GT aftermarket system. It's designed for OE. It comes with a single, just a single rotor. Where we recommend if you're going on track to ditch that and get our 2-piece slotted rotors. They save weight, they cool better, and they got the slots, so they let your brake pads wear better.